Yep, it's just a lot. The journey here is kind of weird. It's kind of interesting because you're taking, so I took this bus, right? I took this bus when I took the train from London to Salisbury. In Salisbury there's this bus, but this is like, it's like, I don't know, like, this place is like weird. It has this eerie vibe because you're here and it's the summertime in England and all these kind of little bugs just fly on you, and I thought it was lice. I started freaking out, and I noticed it was on everyone else, but they seem relatively harmless. So it was a long wait. This is the real truth if you want to go to Stonehenge. For those of you that said that Stonehenge is boring, it's just a bunch of stones and it's a waste of money, yeah, you're right, but for me it was a bucket list item, so I'm gonna check it out. See ya. Again, enjoying a nice English summer.